Who says being a single mom is the worst thing that could happen to a woman in the 21st century? Well, I get it. At first, that was my biggest fear. Trust me, I was scared. But now, I have realized that having Damien is the best decision I have ever made in life. Plus, who needs a man when I have a job, my supportive family, and this youthful energy? Damien, come give my a kiss. No, kiss me right. Now that's it. Okay, now you tell me you don't want this. Now you listen to me, ladies. Listen carefully. The world is evolving. The world has changed. Gone are those days where you have to stay in a relationship with a man you don't even love just because you need him to take care of your kids. No, you need to get out there. Get a job. Take charge of your life. If you want this amazing life, my amazing life of being a single mom, then you had better not let the societal norm stop you. Okay? All right, so now I need to get ready for work. And I will be seeing you all later. And hey, stay sexy. Bye. All right, you come in with me to work. Mom, I don't want to go. You don't have a choice. Get up, go get ready, wear your shoes, change this shirt. I don't like it. You need to change. Hi. Good morning.
Hi. Oh, today's my lucky day. I get to meet your little angel that's been shaking up the internet.
I know.
It's so adorable.
Thank you. Well, I am taking care of my baby.
I saw your life earlier. Oh, Clara, I don't know how you do it. You inspire me. I don't know how you're able to balance work, take care of this little angel here, tend to your followers. You make me believe I could be anything I want to be.
And you can be anything. Honestly, I don't consider taking care of my baby as a task.
Aww.
It's something I enjoy. He's the best decision I've ever made.
He's so cute.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, he's well mannered.
He is. Please, can you do me a favor?
Sure, anything for you.
Yes. Okay, so I can't take Damien to the boardroom. And I know I shouldn't have brought him to work, but I couldn't take him to daycare. So, do you mind watching him while I present?
I get to watch the celebrity child. I get to watch this. I guess. Of course, come. I will gladly watch him.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mommy's gonna be back soon, alright? Alright, be a good boy.
Okay.
Aww, mannered.
I'll see you too.
Sure.
Alright, I'll see you soon.
Okay, see, come have a seat here, okay? Do you want anything? Snacks? Anything? You okay? We just, have fun, okay? You're such an adorable little boy.
I
see what he's doing.
You are getting along just well and fast. My baby.
So adorable. And he's well mannered.
My baby. That's good.
Look, Clara.
Yes.
I believe they should make you the chairlady of the Single Mothers Association because you have raised a perfect human being here.
Oh, thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
So how did the presentation go?
Oh, it went very well. We're signing contracts soon.
Oh,
yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Ever since this little chap came into my life, it's been one good luck to the other. I should have named you Lucky. Yes, you like that?
Yes.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
All right, baby, let's go to my office. Yes, are you hungry yet? You're always hungry.
Welcome. Thank you.
So, how was work today?
A little bit exhausting.
I know.
Guess what?
What's that?
I met Damien today.
Who's Damien again? sorry, my bad. Oh, the son of the single mother on social media.
And he's such a lovable and cute boy.
Okay. She makes being a single mother look so easy, but we both know it's not.
What is your problem? You always have negative opinions about her.
Sorry.
I got to actually watch him today.
Watch him.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Don't you have work to do?
No. He did not disturb at all. He's such a respectable boy. I actually enjoyed watching him.
Okay.
You know what?
What?
I think I want what she has.
Young lady, be contented.
I just want a child of my own.
And you will get a child of your own when you and Fred eventually get married now. Abi?
I don't think I want to wait that long.
So, what do you intend to do? My dear, you and Fred are a perfect fit. You will have your own children when you get married. I mean, looking at you both make me want to fall in love and have a boyfriend of my own.
You that doesn't like commitments.
It's not like I don't like commitments. I do. It's just that men of nowadays just want to hit and run.
I beg you. There food.
There is no food.
There
There is food.
no way. I'm so tired.
All right, guys. Good night.
Bye.
Hey, no, don't get comfortable. Go to your room.
Mommy, I'm scared.
Of what? I beg, stand up. Go and sleep. Hey, D. I don't have time. See, I'm tired. I have work to do, and I don't have your energy. Get up.
I know, I'm not disturb you. I just want to.
No. Up. Get up. Up. Hey, move. Outside. Hey, pick your shoes. Pick your shoes. Yeah. Outside. Good night, Damian. Have a lovely rest, eh? So tired. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
You're in quite early.
Not really, just got here like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
I have to deliver this report to the CEO before 10.
I understand.
Can you imagine? Someone sent in her reports this morning.
Tell me about it. I needed to call everyone in my department to send their reports last night.
Really? And Damien did not disturb you?
No.
I remember back then my roommate used to complain about her stubborn daughter and how she never got to finish things on time.
Well, not my Damien. Damien is the most respectable and understanding young chap you'd ever meet. Very understanding. I mean, I just told him mommy needed to work, so he just laid right there beside me, slept off while I worked.
Really?
Yes, really.
Wow, he's so considerate.
Very. Every day I thank God for giving me such a beautiful young boy. I'm so proud of him. I can't even overemphasize how proud of him I am.
You're lucky.
Let me not get into it. I'll leave you with it.
Sure. All right.
See you later.
See you.
I don't even know what to touch. This guy just wants to embarrass me. What kind of nonsense is this? This man will just not give me money to buy another car. Everything is no to Clara. Sweet stuff. Hey, hi, Mimi.
Hi.
You're done early. You're leaving.
Yeah, I'm done for today.
Oh, okay.
And I have a dinner date that I can't afford to miss.
Dinner date. Okay. Well, you better enjoy it while it lasts, because you see these men? Very unpredictable. Today, you're the love of their life, and tomorrow, you're just a baby mama or a single mother. So enjoy it.
Is that what happened with Damien's father? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to pry.
Oh, no, it's nothing. It's nothing. I'm not offended. Why would I be offended when I have my source of joy? Please, I actually need your help. My car, it won't start. And I need to pick Damien from the daycare.
Oh, okay. I have a few minutes to spare, I guess. Like,
You're a lifesaver. Thank you.
I mean, it's not been long.
Sister, tell me about it. I just got it barely a year ago and this issue is already happening. But it's okay.
But the car is really cool, though. I'm sure you must have broken in the car together.
No, a minivan. I mean, I have to prove to people. I mean, my life is amazing after all.
babe,
Hey,
what do you think about having kids?
kids. What I think about having kids. Well, after marriage, I'd love to have a big house, like a big family where kids are running all around the compound and all that. You know, to make the place very lively and full of joy.
So, no kid before marriage?
No, because I want my kids to have a complete family.
Well, time is ticking, right?
Come on, babe. After marriage, we have a lot of time to plan a big future for our kids.
So, like, when? This year?
This year? That's a joke, right?
No.
Well, more like next year or the year after. You know what, sweetie? I just think God's timing is the best. Okay?
Yeah.
And speaking of timing, I don't think there's a need for rush, is there? Right?
I guess.
Come on, babe. Okay.
Sis, thank you for today. Honestly, I don't know how I would have handled Damien without a car. Yeah? Thank you.
Mommy, I want water.
Right now?
Yes.
Sis, just give me a second, I'll call you back. Thank you. All right, bye. You know you can be a handful. So you don't know your way to the... I'm just happy your auntie is coming tomorrow.
Wait. Auntie Monica.
Yes, Auntie Monica.
Auntie Monica!
I'm really excited. Let's go and get your water. At least I can breathe. I know you'll be happy.
Hey.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you. So, how did it go?
How
Did you
did-
propose?
No, he did not. Did he tell you he was going to?
Anyway, he will eventually.
Why do you say that?
I say that because I can perceive weddings.
Very good. Your mates are perceiving wealth, riches, prosperity. Your own is wedding. Sometimes I wonder where I met you.
I don't understand. Is wedding not a good thing?
Sorry. Oh.
I beg. Did you cook something? I'm starving.
You know your way.
That's my friend. Let me help myself.
You did not even come with anything. You
Oh,
came to still collect the one
please.
inside here. I tire for you. I'm coming. Hold on.
Goodness, please tell me she's the one.
My lifesaver.
How are you? I'm fine. Please come in.
Thank you. Come inside, please. Oh, thank goodness you're here.
I have 30 minutes to be at the office.
Sis, I'm tired. I've been seated for several hours at the board.
I know. I'm sorry, but he's not going to school, so you just need to, look out for him.
Okay.
All right? I even cooked.
Wait. Excuse me, sis.
Yes.
What's this thing I'm hearing about you not having a car?
Oh, well, I don't. I gave it to my mechanic to sell it off.
Sis, it's not even up to a year. If it's faulty, why not fix it instead of selling it off?
When am I supposed to drive my dream car? If not now.
Okay.
How are you? Why are you looking so skinny? I've only been off for 4 days.
Who's that? I don't have the time for it. Just take care of him, all right? I need to go. Come, give mommy a hug. I'll see you soon, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
My darling. How are you? Hey, baby. How are you looking so skinny? Oh my God, you see?
Yes.
Let me see if I can carry you. Let me see. Ah! Oh God! I can carry you still, my boy.
What's up?
See,
What's
See,
that? What's
take
that
one.
now?
aren't they adorable?
What is your obsession with a single mother and her child?
I'm not obsessed. It's cute seeing mother and son twinning like this. The clothes are amazing.
I mean, despite the fact that you both work together in the same office, you still stalk her on social media all the time.
I'm just saying, see what they're wearing is really cute. Imagine if maybe I wear it with my son or my daughter.
Hey, God. Wahala. Come to think of it, have you spoken to Fred about this your new desire?
I have.
You what?
I have. Well, I asked him about having kids now, and he really did not like the idea. He said he wants to get married first, give his children a full family and all that. I said, okay, fine. When do you want to get married? Brother is still not ready to get married. Please.
Okay, and so because of that, you want to be a baby mama?
A single mother, not a baby mama.
Okay, so what's the difference? Huh? Who is playing football with your brain?
See, stop it, okay? There's nothing wrong in wanting a child. And I'm not going to allow societal norms make me feel bad for wanting a child out of wedlock. I will not do that, please.
My sister, are you running temperature? Do you have malaria? Is your
It's a
body
child
hot?
I want. It's not like I'm trying to rob a bank. Just like a child.
Okay.
What's bad in wanting a child?
Nothing.
Please leave me, Joe. I need to follow the person that made this clothes because she's really good. And when I have my own child, we're going to be twinning.
Okay.
What happened?
Can you imagine that idiot?
What idiot?
Damien's father. Who else?
Your son is running temperature.
Do you know where I saw that man? At the mall. Shopping with those women's kids. Do you know that man has never taken Damien shopping? Even though Damien is his only son.
Did you hear what I just said? Damien is running temperature.
Since when?
Yesterday, I told you he has flu. And I think that's the reason why. But we can't take chances. Let's take him to the hospital.
Hospital for what? No need now. The neighbor, she's a doctor. I'll get her.
Neighbor.
Yeah, she sorted him out the last time. She'll do it again. She's a doctor, trust me.
What are you thinking about? I left this place to go and do dishes. And you're still here. What is it?
What would be your reaction if I get pregnant?
Are you still thinking about this? Why are you so determined to have a child outside?
Just answer me now. Answer me. What would be your reaction?
Wait. Are you pregnant already?
No. I wish I was. But I'm not.
Can't you wait until you're married? Your parents gave you a real family. Why do you want to deny your child that?
I'm not denying my child anything. Look, if you see Damien and Clara, you'll understand what I'm saying.
Same Damien.
Yes. He's so respectful, well-mannered. He's literally perfect. Trust me. And you know I love children.
My friend, having a child is a great responsibility. Hmm? I'm talking physical, financial, emotional, and even spiritual.
Financially, I'm capable. And I'm matured. Why are you making it sound so scary when it's not? If Clara and Damien are doing just fine, then I'll be fine.
You know what?
What?
It looks like your mind is made up and there's nothing I will say now to make you change your mind. Eh? But please, I just hope you consider Fred's perspective on this matter.
Which one is Fred's perspective? I want a child, okay? And if he doesn't want a child, that's on him. He just needs to get me pregnant. That's all.
And how do you intend to do that? Do you want to drug him?
Don't worry about that.
Okay.
I'm going to have a baby. That's
I've
all.
always known you.
I'm going to have a baby.
Okay.
Is this house not good enough?
I think that. Oh wow. Someone is looking very delicious tonight.
Well, since you decided to travel for eternity, I might as well use my opportunity.
Nutty.
Come here.
Wait, babe. Let me get a condom.
Wait.
Oh wow. My baby came prepared.
Of course. Come here.
You're so nutty, you know that.
I'm going to miss this hot buddy.
Babe. I think the condom broke.
It did?
Yes.
Is that why you have that look on your face?
Well,
Don't worry. I'll take contraceptives, okay?
Please do.
I will.
Oh no, you wouldn't want to play with me. And do not tell me you don't have that money because I am very sure you have that money.
I can't keep sending you huge sums every week. What did you do with the last amount I sent?
Taking care of your child.
Don't play that game with me, Clara. I see your posts on Instagram. You're spending my money on other things.
Now you listen to me. And listen to me carefully. You put that child in my womb and you will take responsibility of that child. Send me money so I can take care of your child.
I'm sorry, but I won't send you a dime this time. The money I sent last week is more than enough to take care of you and Damien for a month.
You know, I know you wouldn't dare me. Or else I... No, he did not just hang up on me. Okay, we'll see. Want to try maybe? No problem.
Hey!
Vanessa!
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What are you doing here?
I live with my sister down the road.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you?
Fine. Good to see you.
Same here.
Do you mind? I would like to have a brief talk with you.
Hope there is no problem.
Well, I wish I could say that. Please, can you come into the car? Let's talk briefly. I promise I won't take much of your time.
Please help me.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Oh, my bad.
Okay. Where were you going?
Going to pick Demia up from school.
Oh, Damien. How is he? Has he recovered?
You knew he was sick?
My brother paid his hospital bill after a heated argument with your sister 2 days ago.
Wow. I thought my sister paid.
He gave her 70,000 naira for the bill. But look, that's not what I want to talk about. Okay?
Okay.
I am so disappointed with the fact that my only nephew was admitted in a hospital without any of you reaching out to tell us what was going on until it was time to pay the bill. What is going on? Why do you guys constantly keep trying to shut us off his life?
No, Vanessa, don't say that. I am not responsible for making decisions over his life.
He doesn't visit. She wouldn't allow any of us to take him home. How is he even gonna be able to get along with his sisters? She won't let us make suggestions in his life. But when it comes to his support money being delayed, she will reach out. So I'm starting to think, is he really our blood? Or you guys are just giving us responsibility that's not ours?
Vanessa, please. I understand you. And I know where you're coming from, but please, I will talk to my sister and then get back to you as soon as we find a better way to handle the situation.
I want to see him.
As much as I want you to see him, he's going to tell his mom. And that's going to be a big problem between my sister and I. But you can come for his birthday party.
Speaking of, look, this is the list she sent concerning his birthday, his cake, and the gift he'll be getting that day. I feel like a member of our family should be represented. I'll be there and I'll come with the girls.
But please don't say I invited you, please.
Oh, that's okay.
Can I have your contact?
Oh, sure. Do I have it in here? Okay.
Oh, okay.
Look, call me if anything, okay?
It's okay. What are you doing here, by the way?
A friend of mine recently relocated back to Nigeria. So I'm just helping her run around looking for a house. She's really picky. Yeah.
Okay.
So I decided to check this area, see what I can get.
Okay, that's good. I really have to go now. I need to pick Demia up from school.
Okay. Please give him a big hug for me.
Sure, I will. You take care of yourself.
I will.
Bye.
Okay. Take it easy. Be safe out there.
I will. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, I just had to come quickly because you guys are amazing. You guys are the best. Look at this. A fan sent me this for my son's upcoming birthday. Oh, you guys are the best. And I know I've been getting all the messages, all the love. It's just been so overwhelming. Thank you. And it's not even his birthday yet. Thank you. And I know, yes, some of you have been asking for account numbers to send your money gifts. So here it is. 005 552 9907 Oakfield Bank. Okay, so now I'll be expecting. Thanks, guys. Mwah, I love you all. see.
Hi, my baby. Oh, how are you? What are you doing? Oh, playing chess with Auntie. Monica. How are you? How was your day? Good?
Damien. Who's the cutest?
Me.
That's it. Damien, just go upstairs and finish your homework. I want to talk to mommy.
Oh, finally you want to talk. Because since I came, I've been invincible, giving me this stupid attitude.
Last I checked, Damien had flu.
Oh, God.
Even the doctor you brought confirmed it. We didn't spend up to 5,000 naira. He didn't go to any hospital, yet has a bill of 70,000 naira. She didn't take any money from us. We bought the drugs ourselves. So what was all that for?
Wait.
You don't have a problem extorting people?
How did you know?
What did you do with the money that was sent for Damien's treatment?
FBI. CNN. Was Damien sick or not?
He had flu.
Oh, so what's the difference?
Stop turning tables. Oh, you knew the ailment doesn't require that much, yet you demanded for 70,000 naira? What did you do with the money? To fund your lavish lifestyle on your
Hey, I beg. Rest. I don't have time for this. I had a very long day and I do not have the strength for your nonsense. I'm not in the mood. So please, carry this your bad energy, come on for my side. Rubbish. Somebody can even have peace in our house. What nonsense. Please, my side. Bad energy. Please get us from here. Don't mind your business. So how much per block? 25,000 plus 50. 25,000.
So what are you doing?
I'm adjusting Damien's birthday budget.
Adjusting the budget. Are you removing anything?
Hell no. I'm adding things. I need to, make it a lot more.
Can I see?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
You can look at this one. Bouncing Castle, 250K. What's funny? Why are you laughing?
Wait. This is funny.
What is?
Sis, can I be honest with you?
Of course, anytime.
This is a joke. A big joke.
To you, it's a joke. This is my child, my son. And I will do for him what I deem fit. And for him, I want a big party for my child.
What you need is a cake. Some cupcakes for his friends. Some sweets, biscuits, and juice. Who is paying for this extra stuff?
His rich father. You have a problem with it?
So you're going to extort that man again and then you call yourself a single mom?
Meaning what?
Auntie, you are a confused mom. And I'm not going to be part of this. You don't love him. You're just using him to get money.
I don't love my child. I don't love my own child. Are you okay? Why would you even say that?
You love him. Yet you left him with us in the village.
Okay, you do not have to bring that up. Not now, not ever. You are my sister. You helped me out with my child. Big deal.
It's like you didn't hear me. You abandoned him with us in the village.
I said I don't want to hear it. What is wrong with you? Okay, you know what? You want to be honest, right? Let's have an honest conversation. Your upkeep, your bills, your school fees, you know where it all comes from? That extortion money.
But it's getting too much.
Okay.
Okay, I'll take him out and have a get-together party with his friends. I'll just get him stuff.
500K.
Sis,
200.
don't take this list to his father. It's crazy.
How about you mind your business? Okay, we can do 25 million.
What are we waiting for, Auntie?
My friend, she's coming to pick us up in her car.
But we waited so long.
No, darling. Okay, I'm sorry. Just wait a little more, okay? She'll be here soon. I'll get you ice cream.
Yay, you're the best auntie in the world.
I know, right? Thank you. She'll be here, so don't worry, okay? Here she is. How are you?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I was stuck in traffic.
It's okay, you're here now.
This is you. Oh, can I get a hug? Can I hug you?
Why not? Sure.
Oh my God. It is nice to finally meet you in person. Your auntie says good things about you.
But this is not the first time you're meeting him.
No, this is actually, I mean, the last time I met him, he was just a baby. He was
Really?
only 4 months old.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Come here.
Let's go, please. We need to get back in time.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Hope you're okay.
Oh, yeah, I'm okay. Such a sweet boy. Okay.
Then Aunt Monica introduced me to her friend.
Her friend?
Yes, and she has a big car. She even hugged me. And she said her name was Aunt V. I should call her Aunt V.
Auntie V.
Yes.
Okay. That's good.
Where did you take Damien to?
Oh, he didn't tell you?
You and I know you don't have any friends around. So who did you take him to see?
You aren't up to date with my life. I've got a friend, and her name is Vanessa.
Vanessa. I've never heard you mention that name. Well, I hope you're not lying to me.
Why would I want to lie about my friend?
Okay. All right then. Anyway, you know Damien's birthday is coming soon. I need you to just plan something nice for him.
With the budget you sent to his father, I think you already hired an event planner. Okay, well, I know someone in town. She's good at what she does.
I'm being serious. Here.
Extorting money is not what we do. Clara, we
Now you're
don't...
picking Papa. No, just answer me. Now you're picking Papa. Wait and safe. Why do you just like to counter everything I say? Or do?
Counter everything you say?
Everything?
No. I am not countering anything you say.
Okay.
I am only against you extorting money from those people. Soon they will get tired and take Damien away.
Oh, so you think the court will allow such a young child stay away from his mother?
Well, that depends on the kind of mother the person is.
Oh, so you're calling me a bad mother now?
Your definition of a mother and my definition of a mother are different. According to my definition of a mother, a bad mother is the picture you keep painting to those people. Beggars who can't live without them. Sis, you work. You earn money. But yet you have never spent a penny on your son. Instead, you have turned him into a money-making machine.
I put food on your table. Wow. That school you go to that makes you think you know it all, I pay for it. This cloth, I pay for it. I put shelter over your head. You know the only thing I ask from you? Respect. Respect me, Monica. Is that too much to ask?
I respect you and you know it.
Oh, okay.
Sis, I respect you.
Oh, all right.
But if I don't tell you the truth, who will?
Okay. Are you helping me or not? Yes or no? I'll send you 20k. You can buy sweets, juice, chewing gum, biscuits, something
So, what are you going to do with the rest of the money that was sent to you for same purpose? If you knew 20k was enough, then why did you ask for more?
Wait, it concern you. Eh? Is it your business? His father is rich. That's why they call him chief. So can you mind your business and help out?
I don't want the money. I'll take care of the birthday myself.
Oh, great. Good for me. Come in.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Hi, how was your weekend?
It was fine.
Yeah?
How's my boy?
Oh, he's great. He's doing good.
So,
What's up?
I remember he mentioned his birthday coming up.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm looking at the calendar. It's already here. What are your plans?
Well, my sister and I plan to make it very memorable. Mm-hmm. We'll do something fun for him.
Oh, your sister, she takes care of him for you?
Oh, no, not at all. I take care of my child, no one else. So she's just coming for his birthday. That's how much he's loved.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yes.
I've been meaning to ask you, your pregnancy journey, how was it?
You know, every time I think about that journey, I just laugh.
Why?
Because it was adventurous.
Oh, really?
I was fat. Oh, yes, double
You?
the size. Yes, I ate a lot, slept a lot. What? Let's talk about my combinations of food. I was eating the weirdest things.
Oh my God. Really? Was it that tough?
Well, I mean, nothing good comes easy, right? But I can't complain. You want to have a kid?
Of course.
Oh,
I do.
my darling, that would be the best decision you would make for yourself.
Right?
Yes. I'm here anytime you need me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, what are you working on?
Oh, I need to finish up this report.
Oh.
In every single way. Hi. Why are you eating this now? I cooked.
But I don't feel like eating that right now. This is what I'm craving.
Craving? Are you sure you're not pregnant?
I hope I am.
Hey.
What?
Mimi, although I hate that you bust the CD as you told me, you need to go to the hospital and check that situation out. You need to go and run a test. The doctors can detect if you're pregnant, even if it's just by an hour.
That's the issue. I'm scared. What if I check and then I'm not pregnant? That would be very heartbreaking for me.
And what exactly will break your heart?
Not getting pregnant despite all my hard work. And it's not like Fred is in town for me to try it again.
Hey, wahala. Listen, if I didn't know you too well, yeah, I would have said your mother-in-law or maybe even your husband is pressurizing you to get pregnant. But my dear, you're not even engaged yet. So what's all this?
But that's the latest trend. It's on the internet every day. Every day, somebody somewhere is receiving their bundle of joy on the internet. And I want my own bundle.
Wait. Let me understand you very well because right now I don't. So getting pregnant or having a child is now a trend. Huh? You're inspired by somebody who doesn't even make 1K likes on Instagram. What's your problem?
Please, you're spoiling my mood.
Okay.
You are. Allow me to enjoy my
Enjoy your food, but better go to the hospital and have that situation checked out. Cravings. Hey.
I kept some for you.
Is what's going on?
Where is Damien?
He's asleep. What's wrong?
Do you know that man has refused to pick my calls?
Who?
Damien's father. Who else?
Why?
Because I asked for ordinary upkeep money. Upkeep money for his own child. But he's saying that I'm over-demanding. Can you imagine?
And don't you think he's telling you the truth? 3 days ago, he sent you money for a birthday that will never happen.
I beg, rest. Upkeep money was agreed long time ago. And so you know, there is a difference with upkeep money, party money, shopping money. Okay? And please, I don't have your time. I don't have your time. I don't have your energy. I'm not even in the mood for your stress tonight. Okay?
I'm not trying to start anything with you.
Oh, really?
And don't even spoil my mood this evening.
Thank you. Don't spoil my mood too, so just get out.
You will never see anything useful in
Get
whatever it is I'm saying.
out! Maybe you come and murder my child for me now. Nonsense. You. I'll keep calling you.
Come in. You're wasting time. Come in.
Wait, have you been promoted?
No.
Then what?
Guess again.
Fred proposed to you over the phone? He's not around now, so the only way he can propose is over the phone.
Really?
Yeah.
Guess again, Joe.
I can't guess. What?
Say something now. Try. Okay, try.
I can't try. Talk.
I'm pregnant. Finally, I'm pregnant. A baby is growing inside me right now. A baby is growing inside me.
Oh, that.
You're not happy for me?
My dear friend, what makes you happy might not be what makes me happy now. Abby?
Okay. You're not happy for me.
Have you even told Fred?
Why? What? Since he traveled, I've been calling him. He has not picked any call. He has not returned any. So.
Okay. I guess he'll call you back now. Maybe he's busy.
Maybe.
Do you even plan on telling him?
Look, I'll think about it. Okay, I don't know.
You need help.
Whatever. Look, I'm pregnant. We need to start getting things ready. Because when I was having a conversation in the office the other day with Clara, she mentioned that she got really fat and she was eating a lot. So I think I need to stock up the house again. Then I need to get new clothes because I'm going to get fat. She said she got really fat too. So I expect to get fat as well. And do you think I'm going to have a boy or a girl?
You know, this is such a pleasant surprise.
Oh, thank you. Of course, I wouldn't miss Damien's birthday for anything in the world. But I think I came too early. The guests aren't here yet.
Oh, it's happening at the park.
Oh.
Yes.
It's quite unfortunate. I won't be able to attend even if I want to.
Really?
Yeah.
But you can tag along. It's okay.
Maybe next time.
Okay.
Where is he though, so I can wish him a happy birthday at least?
He's getting ready. My sister is helping him out.
Oh, you're on a break.
Not a good break, because I don't get to spend time with my child.
Oh.
Yes, my sister has literally stolen my child from me.
Don't worry, just let her be. She's just here for a few days.
That girl will camp, eat my food, lazy about. Honestly, I don't like third parties taking care of my child.
Monica?
Yes, I'm sure you've met her once or twice.
Yeah.
Here they come.
Oh, hi, Monica. Hey, Damien, birthday boy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, my dear. Monica, hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. I hope it's not stressing you out too much.
Are we outside? When you guys didn't just bring it up.
Come here. Come give mommy a hug.
Strangely, I find his missed calls in the morning, but he doesn't pick up when I call back.
Okay, why don't you stay awake tonight and give him a call? Or wait for his call?
You're talking as if you don't know me.
Oh, I forgot that sleeping is your hobby. But seriously, maybe the time he calls is when he has the time, yeah? Why don't you give him a call now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Might as well. Hello, babe.
What? What happened? What?
A woman picked his call.
Okay, what did she say?
So that's the reason he hasn't been taking my calls, because he's with another woman.
Oh.
She asked me if I wanted to speak to the owner of the phone. Are you kidding me?
Okay, calm down. Okay? Maybe you should try calling him back. You know, Fred can never cheat on you.
He just did. And he allowed the woman to pick my call.
Okay. Call him back. Call him back instead of jumping into a conclusion now.
I am not jumping into any conclusions, okay? No wonder he has been evading the topic of marriage this whole time. That cheating bastard, that idiot!
Hey!
Hey, what? Were you the one that had the woman on the phone?
Don't transfer the vision, it's fine.
You guys are back. So how did it go? Didn't you hear me talking to you when you just walked in? Oh, I'm suddenly now invincible.
What do you want?
You took Damien out. Isn't it normal for me to ask how it went?
A good mother is not supposed to ask what happened on her son's birthday because she's supposed to be there.
Oh, well, I was busy. I had commitments I needed to, you know.
You called me a third party in your son's life.
Of course. So that's why you're angry. Seriously.
You know what? If there is anyone acting like a third party, it's you. You were absent from his life for years. You know what? Tomorrow I'll be leaving.
You leaving? To where? Because you and I know you don't have a job or a house.
To a place where I'll be appreciated than living with you because I am tired. Because you think money solves everything or the world should revolve around you.
Moses, you are carrying this thing too seriously. Calm down now. Don't you think you're taking things too far?
I am not taking anything too far. This child you brag about was raised by Mom and I. I had to take care of Mom when she was sick and take care of your son. You barely sent money because you said you were surviving on your salary.
Oh, God.
While huge sum of amount was being sent weekly for his upkeep.
You just relax. Your blood is hot too. Are you seriously trying to leave? How do you expect me to survive with that boy? You know he's a handful.
I'm not sacrificing my happiness for you anymore. For goodness sake, one may think I'm his biological mom.
Please, I beg. That's enough.
Really?
Yes.
What's Damien's favorite color? What's Damien's favorite color?
What does that have to do with what we're talking about?
Answer me.
His favorite color? He's a boy, so blue.
Oh.
Or green.
Madam, for your information, it's red. What do you even know? What do you know?
Oh, God.
You are not an independent single mom like you make everybody believe on social media. Auntie, you're a leech.
Okay, so you're insulting me now. It has gotten to that point.
Lest I forget. Damien asked me where his father was.
Monica, what did you tell him?
Doesn't matter. I pray that they will take Damien away so you will know how crazy you've become.
What did I do now? Beg. Rest. Somebody cannot have peace. Sis! Hey, I made us breakfast. Sis, breakfast. Where are you going?
Back to the village where I belong.
Abba now. Okay, I'm sorry. I was rude yesterday and I take responsibility. I'm sorry.
No problem. It's fine. I'm sure you can afford a nanny. to get one to take care of Damien. I'm sure the father will know my pain.
How about now, sis? So you just want to go to Mama's house?
Yes.
That house? Sis, that house might be haunted with ghosts and...
You know, it's better to be haunted by a ghost than by you. And please don't give me that I paid your school fees, I took care of you, the roof over your head and all of that. And please do not give me that I paid your fish scrap. Add whatever penny you spent on me. When I get a job, I'll definitely pay you back.
I agree.
Oh, my darling, you're awake.
Can I come with you?
Oh, no, sweetheart, not today. But I promise you, everywhere I go, I'll take you in my heart.
I also have you in my heart.
Oh, thank you, baby. I love you.
Sis, are you really just going to leave us two?
But you buy ice cream for me.
Definitely. I'll buy a lot of ice cream for you. I love you, baby.
Hey. Would you like to eat?
Hello, Vanessa.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. So I'm calling about our meeting tomorrow. I want to change the time to the evening because in the morning I'll be interviewing some girls for the sales girls position in my boutique.
Yeah, okay. I want a job too. Can I come for the interview?
Are you joking? I can't interview you. What if we meet today for lunch? Then we can talk.
Okay, why don't you tell me where you are so I can come meet you?
How about I come pick you up? So where are you at the moment?
Okay, I'm at Olamilekun Street, Admiralty Way, Lekki. 10A.
Okay, great. I'll see you soon, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Perfect. Come. Look at your hair. Don't complain. You should have brushed it yourself. Turn. Okay, now, you see this camera? So when I start, you give a big smile. Smile, let me see. So, show me your teeth. Good. Now, you smile and you say thank you for the gifts. Okay? Good.
But where are the gifts?
Don't ask me questions. Just do as I say. All right?
Okay.
Good. Just wait here. Hi guys, hello there. It's your favorite girl and I'm back with a heart filled with so much gratitude. Oh, the love, the gifts you all showered on my son's birthday. Thank you so much. And my baby, I think he wants to say something. Come sit on mommy's legs. What do you want to say to them?
Thank you.
Thank you. That's so cute. Okay, wave to them. Bye. Okay. Go to bed.
Mommy, I want to watch TV.
No. Go to bed. Okay.
God, of all people, she had to be my sister. Why? Why is this girl bent on destroying this innocent boy's life? Why?
Damien! How are you, sweetheart? How are you?
I'm hungry.
Oh, my love, I'm so sorry. Don't worry, I'm here to make something really nice for you. Anything you want, just name it. I'll cook it for you, okay?
Thank you for coming. It's been really hard.
I'm not here to stay.
Oh, sis, please. No, I can't do this on my own.
I came to stay here.
Really? Oh, thank you. Great. You go with Auntie. I was almost losing my mind.
Is that why you want to starve him to death?
Oh no, I made him noodles, but he refused.
Sweetheart, just go upstairs and pack your things. I came to take you, okay? I'll make something really nice for you.
Go pack your things. Okay, so where are you taking him?
Doesn't matter. He's a burden to you. You should be very happy I came to take him.
Oh, I'm happy. Trust me, I'm very happy. But he's my son, so I need to know where he's going.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. All this while you've been knowing his whereabouts. How has it helped you? Sis, be honest with me, you didn't want a child. You wanted an avenue to get money from Chief. And do you know what gives me sleepless night? It's why the wicked always succeed faster.
Wait. Did you just call me wicked?
Sis, we suffered. We suffered because father wasn't there. But you didn't learn. Now see, you want a circle to repeat itself.
What do you want from me? My blood?
Good question. Allow Damien to be close to his father. And please, sis, please, don't stop extorting. Stop extorting money from that man.
Why does it always have to be about him? What about me? You don't care about me? You know that man lied to me.
How?
How? He didn't tell me he was married until I was pregnant.
Sis, he's 20. 20 years older than you.
So?
What were you expecting? I should wait for you before he gets married? Or did your Bible tell you that Adam slept for 20 years before Eve was made? The handwriting was boldly written on the wall, but you ignored it. So please cut me some slack.
So you would have preferred I was a second wife?
If you wanted it. It is better than being a con.
What?
I'm here to take him. I'll take care of him, so please stop crafting stories to extort money from this man.
You know I'm your only family, right? Yet you treat me so harshly.
Sis, I saw a car on my way in. I guess you got it with the upkeep money and the cake you posted online saying it's his favorite.
The cake was from a bakery. I just took a picture. I didn't buy it.
Sis, Damien doesn't like vanilla cakes. His favorite is Black Forest, but you will never know because it's all about the money for you. And please, sis, stop involving Damien in your IG video because the next time you try it, Nigeria will be too small for the both of us.
For my own son.
See, if you cannot take care of that boy, leave him alone.
For my own child. Wait, Monica.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a seat.
Wow. The aroma. Oh, I think I came just in time for dinner.
Yes, it's almost ready.
Oh, great. Where's my boy?
He's sleeping.
Sleeping at this time without having lunch?
No. We stepped out earlier. He ate. So, but I'm going to be very busy tomorrow, so I have to stock up the fridge for tomorrow.
Okay. That's
You're
fine.
welcome.
Thank you. There's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
As Damien's aunt and my friend. Well, he's lived with you all his life. So, his father will be filing for custody.
What?
Yes.
Do you want to kill me? You can't take him away.
I know. But it hurts to have a son you support and do everything for, and still can't even see him.
I know. But taking him away is going to kill me. I love him so much, and I know his moms love him too, but see, I can talk to him. We can come to an agreement. He can come around, stay weekend, do holidays, whatever he wants. But please, don't let him take him away from me, please.
I can't help you with that. I mean, my brother doesn't even know I'm here right now to tell you this. I just wanted to prepare you for the battle ahead, because he's going to win.
But a child is supposed to stay with the mom until 18.
Yeah, but when his life is threatened by being with his mom, then his father can have him.
I don't understand.
3 weeks ago, Clara threatened to kill him if my brother didn't send the money she requested for.
Okay, I know my sister can be a handful, but she doesn't joke with that.
Hold on. Take a look at this, and please read it out loud for better understanding.
Do not test my patience. Send the money for the fact I didn't get rid of him while I was pregnant. doesn't mean I can get, I will kill. What? What? What?
He had to screenshot the message, then send it to me.
What? My sister sent this?
And that's enough to take the boy away.
God, okay, fine. Wait. See, just calm down. I can talk to him. We can reach an arrangement that won't hurt anybody. I promise you. Please.
I don't even know how I can bring this up to him. You know what? I'll try. See what I can do.
I know. Some of you miss Damien, right? Oh, I miss my baby too. Well, Damien is out with his auntie, but he'll be back soon. Guys, I don't even know how to breathe. I can't live without him.
How could you?
Monica.
How could you? Hi. You threatened his father to send you money after he sent some a few days ago. I do not care. I do not care. You can accept money from his father as much as you want, but do not threaten to kill my nephew because you want his father to send you money.
Monica, come on.
What is wrong with you?
What are you talking about?
You do not deserve to be here. And your followers need to know how much of a liar you have become because you want money.
Monica,
what is wrong with you? You make me sick.
God, how many views did I? Hey, Monica's cute. This girl, Monica.
I can't believe she's been lying all this while. Jesus.
You see? Have you seen it? I told you never to believe everything you see on social media. Look at it. Look.
Oh my God.
Okay, Damien. Let's go.
There goes my most favorite boy in the world.
Okay, promise me you won't stress auntie. Yes. You promise me? Yes. All right, have your bag. Go right ahead. Okay.
My sweet boy. My favorite. Look, I've planned out a lot of fun activities that you and I are going to be doing this weekend, okay? Okay, we're going to have fun. All right.
All right, take care. Take care of him.
I will.
Bye, Damien.
We start to miss you. Okay.
Miss you too. Take care of him, all right? Thank you.
All right.
Won't you at least sit?
No, don't worry, I'm fine. I won't waste your time.
How's Damien? I'm sure he sends his regards.
Can I shock you? For the 2 weeks I have stayed with him, he hasn't talked about you.
I know that's a lie. That's definitely a lie.
You named him Damien because of the promise you made with Jidena, right?
Oh my. Monica, please, where is this coming from?
Do you know I am tired of the both of us always talking about the same thing?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? I don't want you to understand anything. Just answer the question.
It's just a name, Monica. Oh.
Do you know he married Amara? And right now he's the governor. And Amara the first lady.
Why are you telling me all this?
Did you also know that if only not you were overambitious, that you wanted to run faster than your life, the both of you would have been married?
Monica, I'm not in the mood.
You wanted money to have a big house and drive cool cars, which you do. Now tell me, what are you going to do with your life?
I'm just fine.
Fine?
Fine.
Yet you threatened to get rid of a child you carried and suffered for 9 months.
You know, I'm still curious. How did you even know that?
Why did you do that? Do you know the outcome of that threat? Chief is going to take Damien away. Are you happy now?
Well, you know I didn't mean it. Of course you know I didn't mean it. I could never. I would never, and you know this.
Why do you hate
I was
that
just
boy
frustrated.
so much?
I was just frustrated. I said it out of frustration and anger.
Why do you hate that boy so much?
Hate? Oh, come on, Monica. I don't hate him. Part of me just wishes he was Jidena's child.
You wish? When you left that poor boy, heartbroken and miserable in the village, you didn't think about that, right? You were busy in town being a big girl. So tell me, what changed?
I still love Jidena.
Do you love him or you love the money he has made? You wanted money. Now you have it. Swallow it now.
Monica, why have you just never cared about me?
See who is talking about care. When you came up with the idea of getting pregnant to get Chief's money, how many times did I beg you not to do it? And when you delivered, Jidena was willing to take you and the baby back. I begged you to reconsider. But did you listen? See, pray that Chief does not take that boy away. Because I will never forgive you for ruining our family's name.
Why can't you just understand?
Understand what?
You're my sister. You're my blood. But you choose not to understand me.
Understand
Why?
what? Understand what?
Me!
Sometimes I think to myself, Monica, calm down. Calm down. Tomorrow she's going to be a better person.
Oh, please.
And guess what? Tomorrow comes and I get even the biggest shock of my life. Everything about you shocks me. See, pray that nothing happens to that boy that will hurt him. Because between me and you, I am the mental case.
Good day, sir.
Monica, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Chief.
I heard you want to sing.
Yes, Chief.
I hope all is well.
All is well.
How's my son?
He's doing very well. Thank you, Chief. He's the reason why I am here.
Wow. I hope he's okay.
Yes, he's fine. Chief, please. I want to apologize for the message my sister sent. Chief, I'm so sorry. I can assure you she didn't mean any of those words. Work pressure made her send it.
I don't have a problem with you, Monica. But I have a problem with my son staying away from me.
Chief, I clearly do understand you, but taking the case to court will not help any of us. Your son is too young to go through all of that trauma. It will be unnecessary drama for him. Please, Chief.
But that's the only way I can be with my son.
No, Chief, that's not the only way. But I can assure you that he will come spend weekends and holidays with you.
To start with, I want him to go to same school as his sisters. That way, I'll prefer you come pick him up every Friday evening and bring him back on Sunday evening.
Sure, Chief, I can do that. But please, do not fight for his custody. We are both fighting for his interest and protection here.
I don't have a problem with that. But I hope Clara will not come up with something tomorrow.
No, Chief. No, she won't. I can assure you that I have all of this under control.
I'll think about it and get back to you.
Thank you so much. Chief, thank you. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much, sir. Oh, bye-bye.
Hi, Mimi. Good morning. I said good morning.
You know what? I'm very ashamed of you. You made me believe you were independently taking care of that little boy. Meanwhile, you were extorting his dad. I can't believe I allowed you to inspire me. God, I would never ever end up like you. Not with my unborn child. Please, can you go to your office and mind your business? Thank you.
Miss Peter,
Yes, please.
you've been served. Please sign here. Thank you.
Hello? Hello, Chief. Chief. Oh, court order for custody. Come on, please. I know. I threatened you. And I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry, but we can settle this amicably. Please.
Why should I consider listening to you?
He's my son. And you know, I love him. I love my son.
Damian told me so much. Goodness, you are so heartless. But now that I've found out, and I'm ready to fight for his custody in court.
Don't
He's
do
your
this
son.
to me. Please. Chief, please.
We'll see in court, Clara.
Wait, Chief. Oh my God. What have I done? What have I done? Oh. Oh my God.
Still read with errors. You had 5 days to work on this after delaying last week, and it's still filled with so many errors.
I'll fix it.
You know we're supposed to represent our department. Fix it so you don't put me in trouble.
I've been a bad mother. Oh God.
Okay, let me call you back, please. I'm kind of busy now. All right, bye-bye. This guy. Very well, I go, I beg.
Love.
Which love is that one? By the way, have you spoken to Fred?
You were the one with me when I called and another woman picked.
I know, but isn't that why you should call back? Huh? You need an explanation now, Abby.
Abeg, my baby doesn't like noise.
Okay, sorry. But just know that this same baby will ask you about his father when he's born.
Don't start, please. Do you want me to twist the hair or not?
Twist it. Sorry. I just hope you don't do something you regret.
Come. Okay. Okay. What's the assignment all about? First of all, where's my boy? He's inside. You can join him if you want.
Okay, before I go, you tell me, what juju did you use on my brother?
Juju? No, what? Wait, even if I did something like that, but definitely not on your brother, but so tell me, what is it?
I don't know what you told him, but whatever you told him worked. What? Yeah. He's willing to do what you said, but if it doesn't work out, he will still have to continue with the custody.
Okay, wait. You don't say. That's a good news.
I know.
Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, okay.
But you would have to sign a written agreement. Our family lawyer would offer you tomorrow. Okay. And you should also get yourself a lawyer.
Okay.
And come over to the house tomorrow for a talk.
Okay, see, I really don't have a problem with that. I do not, but I'll have to, save my sister.
Okay. Meanwhile, can I take my boy with me? I mean, then you can come pick him when you get back.
Okay, I would have said no, but I need to talk to my sister.
Come on, you can't deny me this. Look, I've planned so much fun for us together.
I know.
Please.
I know, but don't spoil him too much.
If I don't, who will?
Nobody. Thank you very much. Let me go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Thank you for
It's
that.
okay.
Wait, I'm coming. Baby.
Can I get you something to drink or?
No, if I need anything, I know my way around.
Right. You didn't come with Damien?
No. What I want to talk about, I don't think you should hear it now.
Okay. I understand. You're worried by my threat. I get it. But sis, you know I will never hurt my child. I would never lay a finger on him. It was just a mere threat.
What was it that was making you so angry and frustrated that you had to say that?
Constant bickering. He was over demanding. I want to eat. I don't want to eat. Aunt Monica sings for me. Aunt Monica dances with me. Aunt Monica plays with me. Aunt Monica does this, and it was just.
And you couldn't do it because you were busy? Too busy for your son?
I'm sorry. I'm just not used to it. But I'm willing to change. I will change. I have changed. I will be a better mother.
Do you know this 3 months is the longest you've stayed with that boy?
Yes.
You don't know his likes or dislikes. In short, you don't even know this boy.
Maybe that's why I get so frustrated.
What would you have done if you were the one that was with him when he was young? And the only communication he knew was crying. Now he's older. He can speak when he feels discomfort.
I don't know what I would have done. I didn't think that far. All I thought about was how to make money from Chief.
I am not surprised things go your way. Now see where it has landed us.
I'm sorry. I know you're mad. Now that they want to take him away, I can't imagine what you're going through. I wish there was something I could do to ease your pain.
I am here because I agreed with Chief to share the custody of Damien to avoid going to court.
Wait, what?
I met with Vanessa.
Well, I knew that. I mean, I knew when Damien told me you took him to see Aunt V. And then you mentioned the 70K. I put it together.
Would you blame me?
No.
You became a monster.
I know. And I'm sorry. Damien is my child. And as much as you don't believe me, I love him. A lot.
I believe you. You just don't know how to show it. Now you will get a lawyer so that we can sign the agreement.
But wait, let me understand this. Does this mean he's not taking me to court?
As long as you agree to his terms. It's either this or the taking for good because you threatened to kill him.
I know.
You know, if you did what Mom wanted when she was still alive, we would have sorted this out. Well, I'm doing what she wanted. None of her grandchildren will go through what we went through. So you will get a lawyer, and I will be the witness.
How's my baby?
He has finally gone to sleep. Oh, he's been crying since you left.
Aww. Well, I'm glad he's asleep now. So, I met one of your friends.
You know I don't have friends.
Okay, your colleague. What's her name again? Clara.
I don't want to talk about her.
I met her and she was
I
like...
I don't want to talk about her.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
He has another woman.
Why? Because of a phone call? Listen, you need to put a call through to him. He's been in town for a month now. And he still can't reach you because he still thinks that you relocated because you told him. Please now, put a call through to him.
Look, I'm capable of taking care of my child all alone.
I know. I'm not doubting you. I know. But Fred needs to know that he has a child. Come on. He needs to know now. And besides, I can't leave you all alone. You need help.
I'll get a nanny. Look, you can call him if you want to, but I don't think I want to.
You're just as stubborn as your son. My name is Esther.
Do you have any experience with kids?
Yes, ma. I have 3 kids.
Really?
Yes, ma.
Thank God. Okay. My son is 5 months, and I'll be resuming work on Monday. So I've stocked up the kitchen, his food, Pampers, everything is ready. You'll be taking care of him in the mornings, and I'll take over when I come back at night.
Yes, ma. No problem, ma. Thank you very much for this job, ma. You will not regret it, though. You will not regret giving me this job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So come, so you get to meet him at least.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you. Esther, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, ma. Ma, I'll be going home now.
Oh, really?
Yes.
How is he?
He's fine. He's asleep.
Okay. I hope he did not stress you much.
No. Well, not really. Not really.
Okay.
Children.
Yeah.
Hey, ma, his milk is almost through.
Does he have enough to last till tomorrow?
Yes, ma.
Okay. I'll buy some on my way back from work.
Okay, ma. And another thing, ma. The groceries, they have gone down.
Already? Okay, just help me make a list, please, and text it to me.
Okay, ma.
And please, do you have to come very early tomorrow? Because I have a presentation, so I'll be leaving pretty early.
No problem.
All right, thank
Okay,
you.
Ma. Take care, ma. Good night, ma.
Yeah.
Yes, ma.
Remember
Okay.
to text me, okay?
Yes, ma. Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Thank you.
My dear, it's crazy. It's almost as if she entertains visitors here or she throws a party here or something.
Why do you say that?
The way things finish in this house. Okay. The milk I used to buy that would at least last up to a month, right? gets depleted in 1 week.
Your baby is growing.
Really? So my baby boy is the one who is eating noodles? Eating Gary? Ah, come on. Come on.
Could it be hunger or stomach problems?
I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know, man. It's so confusing. But I plan on setting her up. Maybe I should put cameras in the room because, I mean, okay, the way my son cries. He cries non-stop whenever I come back from work, and that's not normal.
That's a long thing, no? Just come back home when she least expects it.
Is that good enough? Okay. How's your mom?
Better than yesterday.
Oh, please hug her for me. Okay?
I will.
And you take it easy, yeah?
I'll call you back later.
Alright, now take care, okay? Good night.
Hey, just give me a few more minutes. Go. Please. Yes, I'll bring out the foodstuff for you. The baby will not stop crying. He cries a lot. He cries so much. Yes, I'll bring out the foodstuffs. Just eat 2 more minutes, please. Just wait at that junction. Wait there. I'm coming. Just wait there, I'm coming. Don't. You are home, ma.
Esther. So this is what you do in my house? Leave my son unattended and steal my food?
Ma, it's the devil. It's the devil, ma. I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Esther, get out of my house.
No, it will not happen again, my promise.
Esther, if you don't leave my house, police will come for both of us. So. Esther, get out of my house.
Madam, please.
Esther, get out of my house.
Madam, okay, sorry.
Get out with your miserable, stupid things.
I'm sorry, ma.
Oh my God, Jesus, my son, my baby. So I was told you're looking for me.
I do not remember starting the daycare. Why did you bring your son here?
I'm still trying to get a nanny, but I haven't found one yet.
Then make him quiet. This is an office. We all need a conducive work environment here.
I'll make him stop, sir. I'm sorry.
You can go. But if this repeats itself again, consider yourself fired.
Mommy, please, it's just for 1 month. While I please try to put everything in place. Okay, 1 weekend. Of course, I'm not going to dump him there. I love him too much for that, Mommy. I just need some time, please. I'm still trying to get a nanny. Mommy, please. Yeah, you can come here anytime for the weekend, of course. Thank you. What would I ever do without you? Thank you, Mommy. Oh, thank you. Okay. Good night, Mom. All right, bye. Hello, dear.
What happened?
My dear. Hey, you have to help your sister out, though, because if I don't get a nanny as soon as possible, I'm going to lose my job.
Is the situation that bad?
Bad? It's out of control. And it's like getting him to eat is just something else.
I think it's hunger disturbing him. He won't cry a lot when he's full. What about the talk you wanted to have with your mother?
Well, I spoke to her. She has agreed to come help during the weekends, but
She said he's too young for me to just drop him over because, you know, breastfeeding and all that.
That's not much of a solution.
But at least now, what can I do? Eh? This is just so frustrating. There's someone at the door, actually. Do you know what? Let me just call you back, please.
I'll try and come next weekend to help you out. But I'm proud of you. You have tried with that child alone. I never thought you could manage.
Thank you. You're literally my lifesaver. Thank you. But I need to get the door now. I'll call you back, okay? Right back.
Sure. And remember to call Fred.
All right. Oh, please. Bye-bye, please. Caretaker. Good afternoon.
What is going on, Mrs. Mimi? I got calls from other tenants complaining that your baby don't let them sleep at night. What's going on? What's going on?
I'm sorry, but you know I just had him. He's still very, very little.
But that won't cut it. Because they are even threatening to leave my compound.
Because of a small boy?
What do you want me to say?
But most of them, they've had kids here now. Didn't we all manage?
But they don't cry the way yours is crying. Are you sure the child is well? Shouldn't you take the child to the hospital?
My child is well. Thank you.
All right, but find a way and fix this, please.
Yes, my child is well. I'll fix it. Thank you.
Please do something.
Thank you. My child is well. Are you okay?
Harriet!
Hi, Fred!
It's been a long while.
Yes, it has.
How are you doing?
I've been okay.
Wow. And how's your mom?
I'm just coming from, I traveled. I went to see her, so I just got back.
Oh, great.
Yes.
By the way, how's your friend? I've been trying to reach her since she relocated.
Do you like to know the truth, Fred?
What truth?
Mimi did not relocate. I mean, she's here.
Are you serious? Honestly, I really don't understand this. She's still here. So where exactly is she?
She's still at her old place. I'm actually on my way there.
Yeah, come in. Let's go there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So what happened after you left?
Oh, 5 days after I left, things got hectic. But I tried to reach her on the phone. I tried a couple of times. Maybe I called late at night because she hardly picked my calls. And then when things started falling in place, I lost my phone. I only just renewed my phone number.
Well, she called you and the woman picked.
I lost my phone in a taxi, so whoever picked the call must have been the person who took my phone from the taxi. I also tried her phone number a couple of times, but it wasn't going through.
Oh my God. Do you know she changed her line because of that incident?
Look, she should have tried to call me to find out exactly what happened. That is the right thing she should have done.
guess the pregnancy took a toll on her. She was always very angry at the slightest provocation.
She got pregnant and she didn't think I had a right to know about it.
Right question, wrong audience. You should ask her when you see her.
So, is she alone with the baby?
Yeah, she's a superhero.
She should have called me. That's exactly what she should have done. She should have called me. At least I could have sent my sister to go be with her to assist her. Oh God.
I missed you too.
Finally, you decided to come back.
Yes. Look at you.
How's your mom though?
She's okay. She's getting better.
Nice. So you came here empty-handed.
Relax. I'm not here alone. Came with somebody.
You're here with someone?
Yes. Okay, I think this is the point where I take them. Where is my baby, please?
Sleeping inside. Please don't wake him.
No problem.
Please.
Mimi, why am I just finding out that I have a son?
Well, your mistress picked the call.
I don't have a mistress. I lost my phone, so I don't know who picked it when you called. But that doesn't even justify your actions. I deserved to know. Mimi, you have treated me very unfairly.
I didn't know. I thought you had another woman. I called and she picked and I heard her voice. I'm sorry. My emotions, I'm sorry.
I need to see my son.
He's sleeping.
I heard you the first time. I still need to see him.
Of course. Come with me, please.
What do you want? I already said I'm sorry countless times, because I really am. Well, I came to check up on you and your baby. How is your child? Listen, I'm just on a journey to make things right. Please. I lied to you.
About what exactly? Because I already know how you were extorting Chief. We all heard it during your live session, remember?
It's not that. I lied about coming from a wealthy family. My childhood was unpleasant. Very unpleasant. So I vowed to change it. And in the process, I made some selfish decisions. While I was in school, I met Chief. And Chief was like a lifesaver. Pampered me so much, spoiled me so much, and I didn't want it to end. So I broke up my relationship with my boyfriend then, without even thinking twice. At the verge of graduation, things were rough with Chief and I, so I feared it would end, and the thought of poverty scared me. So then I panicked, and my friend advised me. She said, have a baby for him, lock him down. So then I did. I got pregnant just to keep Chief in my palm. It was never about really having a child. I didn't care about having a child. It was just about the money. And I feel stupid for even having such mentality. Right now, I want to correct my wrongs.
I want to be better.
But why did you have to lie to me? You could have just told me the truth while you kept the lies on IG.
Because I was envious of you. I mean, look at you. You have the perfect life. Oh, yes, you do. You have a boyfriend that loves you. Had a childhood anyone would die for. I wanted to be you. I'm sorry. There's no excuse.
Well, what about the other people you lied to on IG?
Oh, that chapter is over. I shut down that account after I apologized.
How are things with Damien and his dad?
We agreed on shared custody. He'll be coming back in 2 days.
That's really good. Well, I'm happy he did not proceed with the court case because that would have been really embarrassing.
I swear.
And traumatic for Damien.
I'm more than glad. Right now, I want to be a mother to my son. And a real friend, if you'd have me.
Of course.
Thank you.
Actually, to be fair, you did not really tell all lies.
Okay.
My son is the best thing that has ever happened to me.
As it should be. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. So, do you want something? Can I offer?
I want to see your child.
He's out with his father.
Oh.
So, anything?
Water, please.
Okay. Oh, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Harriet, how you doing?
Fine. This is sleeping.
Yeah, it's fast asleep.
Oh! You guys look so good. I'm going to take a picture. What? You guys look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh. I am so happy that you are happy. You finally got your heart desires.
Yes. I have the best man and the best father in the world.
Aww.
I love you.
That's so sweet. Love you more.
Aww, so cute.
Honey, we have to start going now. You know we're running late.
Wait, you guys want to leave the photography?
No.
Okay, let's go.
So suddenly, so fast that I've stayed without you. I find a way to get through this pain in my heart. I will break through this wall in my part. I will get through this emptiness deep inside.